Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4. It's actually part 2 of this little designing this little disc. I just ran this a while ago, and it came out really good. And we've done the outside ring, and now we're gonna do the inside circles. And this is what it looks like, the finished product. And I've got several videos on this, but and if you notice, my computer slows down quite a bit because of the fact that this 3D file is. So this is what we're going to be drawing. We've already drawn this, and it looks better with the naked eye than this. I've taken it with the macro camera to get in there. But just draw a little circle. And this time we want it, in the other videos, we're going from black to white, or white to black. So now we're going to go black to white instead of white to black. And we're going to contour this to a gray, to the lightest gray you can make. And you could actually go one more, and you can make your own 5% gray. And I might make another video on that. We're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And we're going to change our nudge distance to, let's say, 2 inches. We're going to grab our ball, Control D, and move it up. Well, that's too much. Let's go 1 inch. That'll work. Control D, move it up 1 inch. Control D, Control D. Now you need to select all these balls. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to select just the outside ones. I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to Control G. I'm going to group it together. I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Control D. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to try to get it to the center of our. See, it doesn't, when you're drawing in 3D, it's hard to hit the center for some reason. So let's look at it again, and we're pretty good. Let's change this to 22.5 degrees. That's not enough. Let's change it to 45 degrees. That'll work. Control D. Now we need to make it 90 degrees. And our inside ball is staying there. And then you just Control D around. One more time. Sometimes it is so busy that Corel's having trouble. So we need to go 180 plus 45, which would be 225. Then make a duplicate. Control D, Control D, Control D. And there you have it. That'll come out really, really good. You'll really be surprised. This is different than the original that I did right here. But it's going to have a cool effect. I did a ring around there, but I kind of like this one maybe even better. So give that a shot. Now, I don't know how important it is, but I've been doing it at work. Grab the whole thing, go to bitmap, convert it to a bitmap grayscale. It seems to help a little bit. It just kind of blends it all together. And what it does, it makes it a little fuzzy, because some of the other high dollar 3D art I was getting looked really fuzzy, and I was trying to figure out why it was. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.